can't hit update right now because I need to add a category. So before you even start writing the content, you go in, you add the category that you want. Sometimes you have categories. So for example, I have fitness as a category. You set up your own categories by literally just starting to write the category of your blog post. Okay, and then here we have 3 blogs. So each of these blogs I already created an image for. So you could see here this image of this guy that looks shirtless. If I click here, boom, that's the image. All right, and then here would go the content. You could set up the content with the power of AI. So you literally just click AI, generate text, write the text, write your own text in there as well. We'll have a separate segment in the future on creating the blog, but literally this whole entire channel, the Cash Cow Niche Sites channel, has content on blogging. We have paid courses. We have free videos. I even have a guide on, let me just whip it out here, Cash Cow Niche Sites. Let me go to our website. If you go here, we have a guide on how to write a ChatGPT-4 blogging masterclass, how to write a blog post. Okay, we have all kinds of different content, blog checklist. Okay, all this kind of stuff is here to help you go one step further in terms of this content. So I created these 3 blog posts. First thing I'm going to do is this right here with this little clock means that it's scheduled. I personally don't want to schedule them. I'll just publish them right here, right now. So I'll go over here. I'll go to date, click on this, and I'll just hit the now button. All right, and then I'll hit update. It might look like it doesn't have a photo, but it does. Okay, I'll go over here, go to settings. Okay, and we have date now. Boom, hit update. Then I'll go back. All right, and I'll view my blog, and it looks like this. So you see now the different photos. It looks great, doesn't it? Absolutely. So what I'm going to do is that's my blog section. If anybody clicks on my blog page, that's where they're going to end up going. So let me show you what I'm talking about. So I'm in the website preview. If somebody clicks on this button right here, they're taken here. Okay. Now we can edit this section and we can edit this section by simply just going into our pages, going into our blog, okay, and hit edit header and sidebar button like this. So I can make this, for example, white, right? If I really wanted to. I can remove the word blog here. Okay, I can delete this. So I'll click on this, I'll hit delete, just like that. I can set up this block as a background. So I'll go to the backgrounds, I'll select this background, and boom. So I got a whole blog right there, right? And I have this spacer. Let me go ahead and delete this spacer. And now I have content right here. This is what my header would look like, and I'll just title it whatever I want to call it. So I could call it fitness, coaching, blog, something like that, right? It depends on what you want to call it. Obviously, you have a name to your brand, you have a name to your website, whatever you want to go with. I'll hit save, right? I'll hit edit again, and I just want to grab a little bit of some distance there, and so it looks kind of neutral. And then you can add your own text here. You can delete stuff, and any kind of stuff you want to add, you add it with your widgets, okay? You add any of your widgets here, all right? So now that that's taken care of, we'll hit save, and we can look at how it looks now with the new header, and boom, look how clean it looks. Okay, it looks great. So now that that's taken care of, I want to have my blog post on my actual homepage.